Yo, yo,
Hello.
yo,
Hello. Yo.
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 yo, yo,
Hello.
yo,
Hello. Yo. Hello.
yo,
Hello. Yo.
yo, yo,
Hello.
yo,
Hello. Yo.
yo, yo,
Hello.
yo,
Hello. Yo.
yo, yo,
Hello. Yo.
yo, yo,
Hello. Yo.
yo, yo. Alright, so let's see this. See how we can do this. Alright, so let's see this. See how we can do this. Alright, so I don't know what to start here with for Python here, so let's just look at some common topics. So we got variables, conditions, chained conditionals, operators, control flow, if and else, basic data structures, functions, immutable, immutable, comments, and file IO. So we start with, let me just write it down here. So we have conditions. And what else? Conditions, variables, operators, control flow. Which is if and else. And then we got loops and iterables, loops and iterables. Okay, what else we got? We got basic data structures, functions, data structures, data structures, mutable versus immutable. And then common methods. And file IO. I don't even know what file IO even means. What the heck is file IO? Why did I underline it? For no reason at all. Alright, it's fine. Conditions, variables. I guess we'll start with variables because I believe when I first started learning a little bit, I guess variables were the things I want to start with, I guess. No clue, but hopefully that I'm correct in this case, but start with, I guess. Okay, so I'm looking at variables. Variables in Python. Data values. So we can have x is equal to 5, John is equal to y is equal to John, print x5, 5 John. Okay, let's try that. So x is equal to 5, we have x equal to 5. And then my y is equal to John. What does it want? John. And then he wants me to print both x and print y. So we'll print both John and that. So if I do print x and print y, it's just going to follow the order. It should just, yeah, okay. This one variable is not even declared in particular time to change its type even after it's been set. So x equal to 4, x is of type integer, and x equal to Sally is x type of string. Print x. So what will this do? This just shows what the code does. Is the type of integer and strings. Just run it. So it runs both. It's just Sally. Not this, but if I do 4 in bracket, brackets, quotations, it still only runs this. Okay. Okay, so that's interesting because let's do this. Casting. If you specify the data type of an interval, this can be done with casting. So okay, casting is like casting is specify data type of variable. Casting. So we start with variables. We start with casting. Specifies data type of variable. With casting, you can specify the data type of a variable. So what does that even mean? So you can either do y x is equal to okay, so let's say I have x is equal to, and we have the str3, so string, I guess that means string 3. Then then this is an explanation, I guess. This is an asterisk. X will be 3. Okay, and then if y is equal to integer, then y will be 3. Okay, oh, I get it. And then your y will be 3. Oh, okay, so just the number 3. This is, okay, I get it. It's string 3 versus number 3. And then you can also have y is equal to float. You can have float as well. Float 3, then it would be number, sorry, z, float 3, so number z will be float 3, so it's 3.0. Alright, let's just try this. So it'll show me the data type of the variable, I'm guessing. So if I do this, the data type. Oh yeah, it'll show me. So if I do this, like this thing, it'll show me the data type of the variable. Because I just put type y, type x. What is it going on here? This is a string, and this is an integer. And a float would be something like 3.0, etc. Okay, let's go back here. Then singular double quotes. String variables declared either by using singular double quotes. So x is equal to John, and then x is same equal to John. Oh, they're both the same. I'm guessing they're both the same, I guess. Okay, it's fine. Case sensitive. So again, your variables are case sensitive. This right here. Let's see. Tiv. And if, let's say, what does it say here? A is equal to 4, A is equal to Sally, A will not overwrite A. Okay, so you can set something very similar, I'm guessing. So you can do A is equal to 4 and A is equal to Sally. In this case, A will not overwrite. Let's do here A, variable A. And then variable names. We're gonna go to variable names now. The variable name can have a short name, X, Y, or a descriptive name, age, car. So variable names. Okay, so variable must start with letter or underscore character. Variable names start with letter or variable can start with a number, right? You can also start case sensitive letters. Case sensitive Python keywords. Okay. Legal variable names. So I'm gonna put some illegal variable names here. I guess examples. Some illegal variable names would be like to my var. To my var is equal to John quotes. Also something like with starting with n. My dash var. This is illegal as well. Now if I had something like this, it's just like my space, you have a space here. Var. You don't have to have, you can't have spaces. Okay, none of that. Those are some illegal variable names. Camel case. Pascal code case. Camel case. Snake case. Yeah, I think snake case is the best thing. I'm thinking of snake case. Using underscores. Use underscore to, I guess, separate words. For example, we can have my underscore variable name, my underscore variable underscore name. Right, let me just write this a little better. Where's my eraser? All right. Okay, there's that's snake case. Cool. Okay, so okay, cool. This is next. Some other stuff here. So many values, multiple variables. So assign multiple values or assign multiple variables in one line. Okay, so I can assign multiple values and I can print them all. Okay, so you can also do, let's do a page here, so you can do multi variable assign in one line. So So I can have, for example, I can have x, y, z, x, y, and z is equal to orange, banana, and cherry, let's say, and cherry, right? So if you want to print all of them at once, I can do print x in this one line, and then print y in the next, and then print z in that order. Or you can change the order on how you want each to be printed, I'm guessing. So then this would just blur out orange, banana, and cherry, I guess in this order, I'm guessing. Cherry, like that. All right. Okay, next thing we're looking at is one value to multiple variables. You have x, y, z is equal to, I want to try this one out. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's try this. Run that. So we get orange. So it's just, I can assign, I'm guessing, one value to multiple variables. So it can be, I guess, you can also assign one value to multiple variables. For example, I can do x, y, or hold on, how do they do it? So x is equal to y is equal to z. That's the best way to do it. Okay, yeah, not like this. So x is equal to y, which is equal to z, right? And that is all equal to orange, right? X equal to y equals z, which is equal to orange. And then you want to print all these, so you can do print x, print y, and it'll all spew orange. It'll all give back output orange. It'll all output orange. So we do a new page. Okay. So next one will be to unpack a collection. If you have a collection of values in list, tuple, etc., extract values into the variables. So fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. X, Y is equal to fruits. Print X, print Y, print Z. Alright, interesting. So you put them into something like this and they want to unpack the variables. So let's actually look at what this would look like. So just copy out. And then you want to put alright. So let's say I want to put this in here. So let's say put this. Okay. So I'm saying the fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, and I have x, y, z is equal to fruit. So I'm trying to unpack it, I'm guessing. So it says print x, print y, print z. And when I run it, it gives me apple, banana, cherry. It's just unpacking this. I don't know if this is a list or tuple. I don't know what this is. Okay. I'm just gonna write it down. You can unpack a collection. Extract values into variables, I guess. Unpack a collection. I'm showing unpacking a collection, I guess. It can be a list, tuple. Okay. All right. The next thing. Okay, let's just try and do this. I'm gonna try fruits. I'm just doing an example here. I always like to put examples. So fruits is equal to apple. They put like commas between. Yep, they do. Apples, banana. I'm sorry, apple, banana, and orange. Let's say And then I won't want to, what did they do next? They did x, y, z is equal to fruit. So x, y, and z is equal to fruits in that order. So I guess x would be assigned this one, I'm guessing. Y would be assigned this one. Or y would be assigned this one. And your z would be assigned this one. Alright, so let's see what happens. X, y is equal to fruits. Put fruits. Yeah, just regularly. So is equal to fruits. So I can do print x and print y, and then print z. And I'm guessing the order that will come out in is apple, banana, orange. It would be apple, banana, orange, like this. I'm guessing. All right. Okay. That's unpacking a tuple. Yeah. They put cherry, but I put orange. It's next we're gonna output variables. And okay. So you can output output variables. Okay. So let's take my output variables. How does that work? So I have x is equal to, but they stated the variable and just printing x regular. I'm not going to put all of that, so x is equal to hello. And if I do print x, it'll just print it. Print x, and then I would just get hello in this case. Okay. Let's say I have another one here. Print function multiple variables. All right. So let's say I had print function for multiple variables separated by a comma. So it gives a space between them. So if I x equal to Python, x is also is. Copy this code and put it in here. So run it. Let's see what happens. So Python. Oh, okay. So it just breaks it apart and put a commenting space. Okay, that makes sense. So I'll just do an example of that. So x is equal to hello. Y is equal to world. Print x comma y. Is that what it was? I am not sure about that. We'll see. X comma y. Yeah. Yep. It should come out that way, and then it would come out the end, like what output should be hello world. It's just a more complicated way of doing it, but I guess understand everything. Okay, next one would be this. Oops, let's go back here. You would also use the X operator. Okay, so you would want to use the X. So wait, what's happening here? Okay, so you would want to using the addition operator instead to put them together instead of commas. But would there be a space? Question mark. I have no idea if there's gonna be space between them. There would still be a space. You can use the addition operator instead. Instead of comma, just put a little note here in pink. So you can use addition operator. You can use the addition operator instead of, so just like plus sign, instead of the comma. All right, next thing, let's keep going down. Okay, what do we got here? I can finish that part. Next, for a mathematical operator. For numbers, it can work as a mathematical operator as well. So if I had x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, and I had print x plus y, then I would get an answer of 5 plus 3, which is 8. Because it works as a mathematical operator as well. Mathematical operator, because it's just gonna add it. But if you combine a string and number with but you can't combine strings and don't combine strings and integers. That's really important. Should not combine strings and integers. It'll give you an error, I'm guessing. I'm not gonna circle that, but it's gonna give you an error. Alright, the next one we're looking at here, we have output, so, which even supports, so, but commas are the best way, though. Commas are the best way, I guess. You know, from before, if I was to go back here, but, you know, although commas are better. Okay, commas are better in that case. All right. Okay, so, okay. Next part now, we have global variables. Global keyword variable exercise. Let's do global variable. That's the final part. Global variables. Global variables. Let's do black. Global variables. So for global variables, we have C. All right, we start with define the variable, and then define my function. Your variable outside of a function, so a function, print, and then use it inside the function. So putting the variable. Okay, this is a little more complicated. You're putting the variable inside of the function. You're just saying, send out the function. Let's see it. Let's copy this out. Put it into my replit here. Okay. Python is awesome. Okay, it's a little more complicated way to say it. But yeah, we'll see. It's always good to know all the methods. So we have. So okay, stating x is equal. Let's do x is equal. Let's say hello. And then you can do define. They put a space, right? You don't have to just define my function. And then you want to put like two things like that, I guess. Let's define the actual function. And then print in here, print Python is, sorry, no. I can do print x, comma, world. And we're not done yet though, because you have to send my function out. I think you have to like just state it, just do my func like this, and every time it does this, it runs this part, so we don't have to keep repeating the code over and over. It just defines this, just does it again over here. Okay, I get that makes sense. All right, cool. inside a function with the same global. Okay, so x equals awesome. Define my function. X equals fantastic. So this is now inside the function. Okay, no, x equals fantastic. It's different, I guess. So print Python is plus x. I believe it'll just do this. It won't do awesome. It'll do fantastic because you're doing the function. Oh no, wait. It'll do this and it'll do this really awesome and it's fantastic. It'll do both of them. Yeah, pretty sure it should do both. I think. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it'll do both, but it might do both. Maybe. We'll see if we run it. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does do both because this function is also defined, as well as this is defined as well, right after the function is defined. So therefore, it should do both. Okay, that's fine. It's cool. The global keyword. What's that? So let's see. Right, I'm gonna write it down. Something new. Never heard of it before. The global keyword. The global keyword. Like what is a global keyword? Interesting. Give me a sec. No, I forgot. Alright, so global keyword here. Alright. Okay. Normally when you create a variable inside a function, that variable is local and it can only be used inside that function, right? To create a global variable inside a function, you can use the global keyword. So, if you use a global keyword, the variable belongs to the global scope. Define my function, global x. I have no idea what this global keyword is, but we'll see. Okay, define my function, okay. Global x equals fantastic. My function, print Python is plus x. So, oh, I get it. So, okay, I get that means. Okay, so maybe global x means that it contributes the entire thing, right? I think that's what that means. So let's try this out. Put this. I think I get it. Okay. Let's run it. Okay, Python is fantastic. Exactly. So this x defines everything. Cool. So for global x, so global keyword, I guess global keyword, variable, how can I state this? Variable belongs to the global scope. Yes, that's the best way to state it. Belongs to the global scope. That's right. So variable belongs to the global scope. I guess I think that's the best way to say it. All right. All right. It's fine. I get that. Now it says also use a global keyword to change a global variable inside a function. Interesting. I don't know what that means, but okay. X is equal to awesome. All right. Cool. Define my function. Okay. Global x. Okay. Global x. X equals fantastic. My function. Print Python is plus x. Interesting. So what does this do? So x is equal to awesome. Define my function. Global x. Function. So function. It should do this right here and then print. I'm not sure what. Okay, we'll see. Python is fantastic. So this will take more like an importance over this. I'm guessing what. I'm unsure. Okay, yeah, I guess that it is, bro. Yeah. All right, that makes sense. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay. All right. This is the tough part. Create a variable named carname. Okay. Variable named carname and send a valuable variable to it. Hopefully that's good. Yeah, okay, we're fine. What? Oh, show answer. Oh my goodness, you have to be really specific here. It has to be capital though. Everything is super sensitive. Alright. Okay. So everything has to be super sensitive in this case. Alright, okay. Alright. Car name is equal to Volvo. Okay, that should work. Show answer. Submit answer. Alright, we're good, we're good. Okay, create a variable name x inside about 52. It's really easy. Come on now. Oh wait, what does this mean? Okay. Do they want it? Okay, this is fine. I think we're good for this. Yeah. Okay. Display the sum of 5 and 10 using the variables x and y. So 5 and 10. So x is equal to 5. Print x plus y. I'm confident. There we go. Look at here. So here, create a variable called z, assign x plus y, and display the results. So z basically is equal to print and print z. Okay. All right. Insert the correct syntax to assign values to multiple variables in one line. Okay, I think I got this. X is equal to no. I think it's comma. You have to put commas to like. Hopefully. Yes, I'm correct there. Okay. We're doing good. We're doing good. Insert the correct syntax to assign. Oh, that's really easy. You have to use equals to all of them. Put equal here, so we get equal for range. Submit answer. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have defining my function. Here. Enter the correct keyword to make the variable x belong to the global scope. So scope, what's it called? Global keyword. But what do we use? Global x. Yeah, I think it's global x. Oh yeah, it's correct. There we go. Yep. We're good. Following code example would print the data. Oh, I'm in data types. I don't even know how to do that yet. So I think I should study that first. To Python written with a special character. Which one? I guess. Oh yeah, I get comments with this thing right there. Yeah. Okay. This is a comment written in more than just one line. Like this. No. Oh. Okay. So if it's multiple lines, you have to use this. If it's multiple lines, you have to do triple quotation marks. Stock. Yo, stock donation is crazy, bro. Bro, I don't even know I can do that. You know what? Just again, just as long as I appreciate it. Just like being, being here. Watch my shit. Appreciate it. Yeah. All right. What else? All right. Let's keep going here. All right. So, yeah, the triple quotation marks. If it's two of them, I'm guessing. Like that? No, I don't think so. Show answer, it's triple quotation. Actual quotation marks. Like that. Alright. We can go to Python syntax. Okay. Insert the missing part of the word. Okay, that's pretty fun. Come on. It's too easy. Come on. Alright. 5. Print yes if 5 is larger than 2. Just print if 5 is larger than 2. Print yes. I'm guessing that. Show answer. Yeah. What? Wait. What? Print yes if. Wait. Oh, yeah. Because you need to tab it. You need to click the tab button here. Because if it's an if statement, I don't know. How much space did it? Okay, you want to bring it? I don't know. Still learning. My tab button did not work there. Okay, cool. Did all that. Data types. Oh my goodness, it's a lot of work. Data types. Super chat donation. You want me to figure out how to do super chat? Let's see, super chat donation. I mean, like, if you want to donate a super chat for that, for some feedback, pop out chat. I can check that for you if you want. How to do super chat. All right, we'll do that. Let's how to do super chats. How to enable super chat on YouTube. See that here. Video, I'm gonna earn, click super chat. Oh, YouTube monetization is required for super chat. Oh, look at that. You need to have 1,000 subscribers. So that's the crazy part. Yeah. So yeah, you can do super chat, I guess, until I got 1,000 subs and the watch hours. So it's unfortunate. Yeah, it's unfortunate. It is what it is. So. Not almost there, bro. Not almost there. So much work to do, dog. It's a lot of work to do to get there, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah. Yeah, alright, so that's all I'm gonna do today. Variable exercises, I'm guessing. Yup. What's that? What's chat rate? Views for. Interesting. Alright, well, I guess I'll do. Let me save this here. Save. What is this? This is not part of my thing. Let's delete that. Delete that. So I've got this. So variables are done conditions after conditions. I start doing data structures, like skipping over to data structures next. File. Save as. I guess I can save it as what? I can save it as. It's called Python variables. Python variables. What the heck? I don't know. Save it to the bin. Just save it like. Okay. Hopefully that worked. Open. Say I want to open one of my files. Desktop. Home. Oh, there it is. Python variables xop. If I want to open this, it's right there. It's pretty cool. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea if my mother watches this. I have no idea. But yeah, Joseph G, bro. Alright, let's see here. Get set for this thing right here and close this. Joseph G, variable boolean. SciPy tutorial, pandas, I don't know what module is, Python matpilot, iterators. Okay, let's see what else we can do here. Alright, so let's look at Python data types. So should I start data types? How long is this? Never mind. Intro, get started, syntax, comments, variables, numbers, Python numbers, casting, strings, booleans, operators, arrays, formatting. Or maybe it's just one singular thing. Python data types is one thing. Python numbers are different. Okay, I guess I'll do Python data types. Yeah. That message cannot be here, bro. I will get balked. I did not. Ethnicity wise, bro. I can't. All right. Like. Okay. Okay. So let's do this. Built-in data types. We're gonna get. Okay. Let me do another one here. Let's create a new journal. New. It's gonna be. Oops. I don't want this one. Let's delete this here. Yikes. I want a plain page. Why did I create this page for me? Okay. Let's delete this. Okay, so this one's going to be called, we're learning about Python data types. So Python data types. Okay, so Python data types, what should we learn about? We learn programming data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. We can have a string, which is a text type, numeric types is integer, float, and complex, sequence types are list, tuple, and range, mapping type is dict. Set types is set and frozen set, boolean type is bool, binary type is bytes, byte array, and memory view. None type is none type. Interesting. Okay, so let's look here. Okay, so in programming data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Okay, so let's start this. So we can have either different types, I guess. For types, we can have a string, which is a text type, or we can have a numeric types. There's 3 different types of numeric types, which are integer, float, and complex. I don't know integer and float. Float just has a decimal, and integer is straight up the number, but I don't know what complex is. So we have an integer, float, or a complex. And these are the numeric types. Numeric types. And then we can have mapping type, dict. Mapping type, dict. So you can have a dict, which is a mapping type. I don't know what a mapping type is either, but we're just gonna go with the flow and copy it down. Okay. What? No one said the N-word, bro. No one said the N-word. That never happened, bro. I don't get what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. What? Okay. Alright, set types. Set and frozen set. So for set types, we have either set and frozen set. Set and frozen set. Set and frozen set. Or what are they? They are set types. And we also have here, we have boolean type, which is just bool. Boolean type, which is bool. Boolean type. And then we can have binary types, bytes, byte array, and memory view. Binary types. So byte array, memory view, bytes, memory view. These are all binary types. Then we've got none type. What is none type? So none type is a none type. Interesting. What? None type is a none type. None type is a none type. No idea what. I guess I've heard of bool, but I don't know if boolean is true or false. I have no idea what boolean is. I've heard of it. I think I've done something with it, but like a long time ago. But I have no idea what bool means. But this is new to me. This is new. This is new. This is also new. And this as well. I have no idea what those means. And this too. I think I forgot. I think I've heard it, but I forgot. And complex. Yeah, it's a lot that I don't know of. Joseph G, bro. You're crazy, man. Alright. Okay, so let's get back to work here. So, alright, so getting the data type. So you can get the data type by doing this. So you can do X, you can do type. This is most likely, okay, look at the examples here. X equal to none. So none type, interview bytes 5, byte array 5, B hello. Frozen set. Maybe it's just a set that's frozen. Let me try it out. I want to see what a frozen set is. See what that is. I don't want, oh my goodness, okay, there we go. Let's run that. Should run. No, it wouldn't. Because, oh, this is just defining the variable. It doesn't do anything. It just defines it. My bad. X equal to true, and then saying the specific data typing is for a constructor. Constructor functions. Cool. Let me just copy this. I'm going to copy this into the notes. Setting data type. Setting the data type. Setting the data type. Alright, so I'm going to get the text tool here. Not that. And where is the text tool when you, okay, this should be it. Alright, and then let's just plug that in there. So yeah, bool is true or false. Yep. B is just bytes, byte arrays, something like this. No idea what this does, but it's memory view. None type, none. X equal to none is none type. Frozen set. This is a frozen set. Then this is a set. This is a dict. This is a range. This is a tuple. This is a list. This is a complex. 1J is a complex. Float, because it has, yeah, a decimal value. Integer, straight up number, and hello world is a string. Okay, let's make some sense of it. Or these are just examples, I guess. Examples. Not even setting the data, that's just. Okay, let's go down here. Let's create a new page here and continue. Alright. Now we're looking at setting specific data type. Alright, so we have setting the specific, how you want it specific to what it wants. Review the string or the integer, the constructor functions. So constructor functions. What? Yo, this is crazy. This is crazy, bro. What? Bro. Alright, I might need to move this stuff here. Alright, okay. Okay, so here we are setting the specific data type. You can continue the constructor functions. There's constructor functions here. Constructor functions. So what are we gonna do with these constructor functions? Let's look here. So we have these right here. Let's Control C. Let's put them into our thing. Okay, so we have string, integer, float, complex, list, tuple, range, dict, set, frozen sets, bool, bytes, byte array, memory view here. Okay. Okay. All right. What's next to this thing? Test yourself with this exercise. Okay. The following code example would print the data type of x. What data type would that be? So x equal to 5. That is straight up an integer. So hopefully I just put int. Hopefully it's the correct. Yeah, it is integer. Okay. All right. So hello world. This is a string. Yo. Next exercise we got 20.5. This is a float. Which is a float, or do we? How do we want? Oh yeah, just float. Okay. So next one. Apple. This is a list, not a tuple. I'm pretty sure it's a list. No, wait, is it? Is it a set or is it a list? Interesting. List or is it a set? What type? What could it be? Okay. Okay. So here we have okay, set, frozen set, bool, bytes, byte array. Okay, so here. What is it? This is a list. Yep, this is a list. Of course I'm confused on that. It's a list. Straight up a list. Okay, exercise 5. Okay, banana, cherry, prime. What is a tuple? What even is the difference between this and this? What? Oh, it's the type of bracket, I'm guessing. Yeah, bro. What, Joseph G, bro? What? So I can share you some details, collaborate in our business venture. Okay, bro. All right. This is a tuple. Yeah, that's a list of a tuple because of the bracket. Let me just put it here because I might get confused. If I have this type of thing, this type of closure, then this is a tuple. And if I have something like this, this is a list. Oh my goodness, that could easily get confused on that. Next exercise, we got 6, and this is a dict for sure. It's a dict. If it has like all this name, John, age 30, 36, that's gotta be a dict. Yeah, it's a dict. Let's just. All right, here x is equal to true is a bool. Sure, the entire thing a bool. If it's true or false, it's always boolean type stuff. So, yeah, it's a bool. Yeah. Okay, I haven't even touched numbers or strings. Open on my phone, bro. All right, let's open this. What did this man send me, bro? What did this man send me? Okay, you sent me, bruh. You sent me the Rickroll, man. It's crazy out here. Okay, Joseph G. All right, man. We're just having too much fun. Alright, let's see this. Let's see this. Alright, I finished data types, so save it. Data, whatever it's called, data types. File, save as Python data types. Python dot data types. Let me save this with data types. Cool. Okay, file new, or new, completely new one. I don't want lined. I want, okay, plain. Let's create a plain one. This one's gonna get deleted. Okay. The third one we're gonna be looking at is, we already finished data types. So what is going on here? Already finished. Okay, yeah, get rid of that. We have Python numbers. Python numbers. Interesting. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, it's gonna be a final one here. It's gonna be Python numbers, and I'm out for that. So. Oh my goodness. All right. So. All right. So we're gonna actually lock in right now, and we're gonna do Python numbers. So let's do Python numbers. Python numbers. What is this even about? Python numbers. There are 3 numeric types in Python: integer, float, and complex. Okay. Oh, this is regarding numbers. Oh yeah. Okay, we're not forgetting about strings and stuff. We're just doing numbers. So there's integer, float, and complex. Those are the 3 we got. We got integer, float, and complex. Okay, cool. And we are looking at we're looking at variables of numeric types are created when you assign a value to them. Okay, so x equal to 1 is an integer, x equal to 2.8 is a float, and x is equal to 1j, it's a complex. So verify the type of any object in Python uses a type function. So yeah, if I want to verify what type of what type of things they're going to state it. I've tried it out already, it works pretty well. So integer is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals, of unlimited length. So integers, let's make it go further. So integers are what can I state? I can say that they're whole number, positive or negative, are whole numbers, positive or negative, or negative, without decimals. Yes, that's float. It's not decimals, and they're of unlimited length. It's an integer. Next we have our, let's go down, float. Floating point number is a positive, negative containing 1 or more decimals. So floats, known as floating point numbers, are numbers that contain decimals, or as I say, is a number. Positive is a number, positive or negative containing 1 or more decimals. Okay. The next one is the first restaurant to open on the moon. It had great food but no atmosphere. What do dentists call their x-ray toothpicks? You hear about the fire at the circus. It was intense. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay. Okay, so let's get back to work here. Alright, floating point, we're at floating point numbers. We did scientific with an e to negative power of 10. Oh, e can be used to the power of 10. Okay, I got that. Okay, so floats can have e. These can have e or contain e. Oops, contain e. Right? To show that to the power of 10. Power of 10. Okay, what else is here? E4 for me, like 12, 35, E3, for example. 35, E4, this is E3, yep, what am I doing? E3, okay. We need to use capital or lowercase, doesn't matter. Complex. Random number, okay. So complex numbers are written with a J as the imaginary part. It's an imaginary part. What? Okay, so complex numbers. So complex numbers, I want to make it my own little subtopic just because it's a little more difficult because I've never seen it before. You hear about the fire? Did you ever try African food? Maybe when I was a kid, probably have tried African food. Neither did they. What? That makes no sense, bro. What color rainbow are you? Are we talk a white supremacy or a black supremacy? Bro, this is unreal, man. This is unreal. We gotta remove this type of stuff. We can't have this, Joseph. We gotta be. Chat wants to know. Bro, the chat is only you, bro. My days, bro. Okay, let's get back on the grind. Okay, so complex. Complex numbers are written with J as the imaginary part. So complex numbers are written with J as the imaginary part. So I can have, right, like X is equal to 30, what did I put here? 3 plus 5J. It's 3 plus 5J. Y is equal to, you can put anything, I guess, just with a J. 5J. 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 Or it can be Z is equal to negative 5J as well. What else can we do? We can have type conversion, which is converting from one to another with the integer, float, and complex methods. Okay, print A, B, C. You can put float X. Oh, you want to turn that into a float. Okay. I get that. It's interesting. Oh, copy this and paste it in. So it is type conversion. Yeah, that's not even part of the actual type conversion. This is it. This is only type conversion part. This is just showing what type it turned into. And then random number for this. New page and some type conversion. I'm trying to red, let's do blue or green. Type. Type conversion. So convert from one example to another. So if x equals 1, y is equal to 0.8, etc., etc. Let's copy this. Let's put it here. So in this case, you start off the starting points. You start with these. Oops. So you start off with these, those, and then you want to convert from integer to float. get new variables, and you convert from, in this case, you convert from float x, so int, from integer to float. Then here you want to convert from, again you have a new variable b, and you have to convert from float to integer. Then here you convert from integer to complex, I'm guessing. Complex of x. Oh yeah, we're only using like, never mind, we're actually using all of them. No, we're not, we're using everything except the complex one. I feel like we're not using everything. So this one, and you're seeing a new variable, and you're converting from this case, integer to complex, and this is printing it all out. This just prints it. Okay. So how did you taste food from Africa? Let's do this. Cast everything. So this one, because I know you're far. Because I want to see where black and yellow people land in the spectrum. Please elaborate on your answer. Thinking about Omar Aziz, do you think he was misunderstood about who he was? Because I want to see where black and yellow people land in the spectrum, because I know you're far right if the spectrum. What does that even mean? I don't know what that means. No clue. But what does that mean? Okay. Random numbers. So Python doesn't have a random function to make a random number. Python has a built-in module called random that can be used to make random numbers. So it has a module called random. So it's a module. I guess I don't even know what a module is, but it has a module called random. It is the random. It's a random module. So I guess we can do import random. We have to do import random first before we do import random. Import random. And you would want to print random, and you end up with the range. Print random R and range 110. So print random dot range R and range. One to 10, and then closing brackets. That should be your final statement there. Or I'm guessing, like, we're gonna try this out. So, okay, never mind. This is line 1, line 2. Should do that. Let's try it out though. Let's try it out. Import random, print random in range 1 to 10. Let's try that out. Let's run it. And we've got 6. It just gave me a random number in between 1 and 10. 6, 3, okay. What? Bro, what does that even mean, bro? You're closer to the GSA room. What? Nah, bro, you're tweaking out. What is bro saying, bro? What is brother saying? Brother, that doesn't make no sense at all. Okay, so we'll move the exercises now for this, I'm guessing. Test yourself with the exercise. Okay, insert the correct syntax to convert x into a floating point number. So I guess x is equal to 5 and x is equal to float of x. Alright, you have to turn to float and look up here. How do we do that? We'll see here. We got, yeah, just put float. Just put float in there. Just put float. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward to convert it. This is to integer, so just put int for integer x. Yep. 5 into a complex number. How do we do that? Complex? It used to be complex, or where is it? Yeah, I just put complex. Hello world. So use len function to print the length of the string. So use the len function to print the length. Oh, I didn't start strings yet. Cool. So that's what's gonna be coming up soon, I guess, since I finished all of this. Sign up to keep your progress. I'm going to Google. Can't be showing that. We can't be showing that. Hold on. How do I pause the stream? Okay. So yeah. So I'll be most likely making an account with this thing. WE. Let's continue. I don't really care. At this point, it doesn't really matter. Boom. Please tell me to save what I did. No, bruv. What? Oh my goodness, I literally just started this. So sad. Maybe I can just log in. Oh, look at that. Never mind. What? Wow. Now I'm back to. I could probably do all this alone. I finished all this. Anyways. Yeah. So I guess that's about it for today. Probably got enough through a lot of work. A few hours, I guess. How long was the stream here? How long was the stream? The stream was. How long was the stream? I don't even know how long the stream was. I can't even see it. Oh, I think maybe it's like an hour and 13 minutes. I think that's good. Alright then, have a good day, all. Yo, what's good, bro? You gonna say something? What's good? What's good, Joseph G? I'm about to dip now. I'm about to dip. Alright, yeah, this is just goofiness. I did all of this, man. I didn't save all of this that I did. It's so disappointing. Oi, oi, oi. It's not too much anyways. So, a lot left to do. Alright then, I'm gonna end the stream. Hope y'all have a good day. Sayonara.